In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Workspace Individual. Whether you're downsizing, shifting to a different platform, or you simply no longer need Google Workspace, this tutorial will guide you through every step to ensure a smooth transition away from the service. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. It's essential to start here because this is your gateway to accessing all the details and settings associated with your account. Once you reach the Google Workspace homepage, the next step is to choose the Google account associated with the workspace you intend to cancel. This might seem straightforward, but make sure you're selecting the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. After choosing your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is paramount for Google, and this step ensures that only authorized individuals can make changes to the account. With your credentials entered, you'll click on Next to proceed. This takes you closer to the administrative backbone of your Google Workspace account. Now look for the square dots icon, typically located at the top right corner of the page. This icon is your gateway to Google's suite of tools and settings. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you can access various Google services. From this menu, you need to find and select Admin Console. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Google Workspace account, from user settings to billing information. It's the control room for administrators. Once you're in the admin console, navigate to the account section. This might sound a bit tricky, but all you have to do is look for a link or a button labeled Account or something similar, which will direct you to the area of the console where account settings and management options are located. In the account section, you want to locate and click on Account Settings. This might be represented as a direct link or a button within your dashboard. This is where Google places all the critical settings related to your account's administration. Next, click on Account Management. This area encapsulates all the tools and options you need to manage your Workspace account effectively, including the termination of services. Here's an important part. Click on Go to Subscription. This button or link will direct you to a detailed overview of your current subscriptions, including Google Workspace. This step is crucial because it's where you begin the actual process of cancelling your account. Click on your subscription. You'll see a list or a detailed view of all your active subscriptions. Find the Google Workspace subscription you wish to cancel and select it. This action will bring up the details and options available for that specific subscription. Look for a button or link labelled More, which often indicates additional options or settings. Click on this to reveal further actions you can take on your subscription. Finally, you'll see the option Cancel Subscription. It's a significant step, so take a moment to ensure that this is the right decision for your needs. Clicking on Cancel Subscription will initiate the process to terminate your Google Workspace service. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through the steps to cancel your Google Workspace individual account. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check and ensure all your data is backed up or transferred before finalizing the cancellation. This way you won't lose any valuable information or hinder your workflow as you transition away from Google Workspace. And that wraps up our tutorial. Cancelling a Google Workspace individual account might seem daunting at first, but by following these steps, you can accomplish it efficiently and securely. Whether you're moving to a new platform or simply don't need the services anymore, knowing how to manage your subscriptions empowers you to make the best decisions for your business or personal needs.